In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a stem and leaf plot from the data set. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to arrange the data in numerical order. This will make our work much easier, and also we will not miss a data. So now that we have arranged the numbers in numerical order, now we're going to identify the leading value of each number, and those numbers, leading values, we will call the stem. So here we have numbers less than 10. So the leading value for these numbers is 0. So we have a 0. We have 19. The leading value is 1. We have 20, 21, 24, 26. So we have some 2s, some 20s. We have some 30s. And we have some 40s. So we have identified the stem, which is the leading value of the numbers. And now we're going to identify the following numbers. The numbers that follow the leading value is the leaf. So we have, here we have a 4. So we'll put a 4 right here. We have a 5. We have a 7. We have another 7. And we have an 8. And you see, this is why it is very important, and it is very easy for us to just arrange the numbers in ascending order. Next, we have the 19. So we just, in the tens, we put a 9 right there. Then we'll go to the 20s. We have a 0. We have a 21. We have a 24. We have a 25. We have a 26. And that's it. The 30s, we have a 31. We have a 32. We have a 34. A 37. And a 38. And the 40s, we have a 40. We have another 40. We have a 42. 42. 42. 43 and 47. And that's it. That is how you make a stem and leaf plot from a set of data. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.